Hello everyone. Hey, look at this. This is bonkers, right? There's over 50 boxes here full of fusions in eager anticipation for my US tour. This year I've got themes going. So in the past I've just made random fusions in the hope that someone's going to want them. But this time I've focused. So we've got, for instance, we've got peacocks. And these are purple ones. So we've got those. And then we've got firebirds, which are ostensibly red peacocks. We've got owls. Where are the owls? Here we are. So we've got owls that are complete, like these cute little owls like this, that you can just incorporate. Or I've made owl eyes and wings and bodies and things. And then the other theme we've got going is a floral theme. So I've made lots of flowers. Where are we? With bugs and insects. These are the bugs. So there's some cute little bugs that go on the flowers. Bumblebees, ladybirds, butterflies, sunflowers. Here's some nice flowers. Here we go. So this is what I've been doing for however long. That's like a Tudor rose, and then we've got some poppies. And then I just call these cheeky flowers because they're my invented fantasy flowers really, but I like these a lot. And I haven't made a definitive floral mosaic because my hope is that the student is going to take from this stock and create their own design using these elements and basically own it and make it themselves. The other thing we've got going is underwater, lots of fish in orange, grey. We've got angelfish. These are new, these are fun. These are mussels and clams and crabs. There's a mussel. Good fun, I like those. And really, it's all ready to go. What I need to do now is to halve the lot and send half to my first host, Michelle Surin in Miami, and the other half to my seventh host, halfway through, Karen Kingsbury in California. And then when all that's gone and it's arrived and everyone's happy, there's just one more thing that I've got to send. Arguably the most important thing, and that is me.